Hello there! Thank you for clicking on my video. This video is going to be just about what me and Anthony do on a day when we want to go out and be out and about. So I just wanted to share it with you guys just so that you could see what we're up to. What up? Where are you going today?
Where are you going today?
People from Maryland, you say Bowie, not Bowie, right?
As long as you're away from us, I'm captive in my heart, and there's a good chance we won't survive.
Made it to Six Flags, but there is a huge line. We stupidly went all the way to the front because I don't know why, and then they turned us back around and told us the line was at the very end, which was going to be at least an hour to get in. So we are dipping on that, and we are going to go watch a movie, and then I don't know what we're going to do after that. But life happens.
As long as you're away from us, I'm captive in my heart, and there's a good chance we won't survive. We've been alone for a while, me and my heart were tired. Now I can always.
True love is when you clean your dog's eye boogers with your bare hands.
When you shouldn't, because it's unsanitary.
But for right now. Did not vlog record last night because we suck at vlogging. But today's a new day. We are going on a walk, and then we're gonna try to go to Six Flags again. Hopefully we actually get in this time and actually go on some rides. But for right now, we are just going on a walk. Hotter than whatever the hottest thing is, but we're in here and there are like no people. Empty, empty, empty compared to yesterday where we couldn't even find parking. Anthony keeps making all these sounds and concerned noises because he's been here before, and it's making me not want to get on this ride. Also because he said it's rough, whatever that means. No hay líneas. And in English, no line. Thank God. We are not ready for this. Thunderstorm going on outside, but I'm gonna go to the gym and hopefully it's not too bad outside. that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I wanted to share these clips because I want to share a little bit more of my life, and just so you guys can see what I do on days that we are actually doing stuff. Please don't forget to subscribe, to give it a thumbs up, and also follow me over on my Instagram.